Intercom failed. Try again later.
Okay, so time for a battery change of my beautiful Aprilia. Now, this is the original battery. It's lasted 5 years, so not bad. And I'm going to replace it with this one. Hopefully, should be the same. It's got the same crank amp, 175, and then this one here is exactly the same. So let's hope this does the trick. Don't get caught out, because this battery is exactly the same, but it's got an X, and it's the height is taller, and that physically will not fit, so don't get caught out. Okay, it's all fitted there. Okay, let's try it out and see how it performs. Hopefully it should be just the same. Okay, so I've changed the battery, and yeah, no messages, no error messages coming up, disabled alarm system coming up, so that's quite good. I hope it's good anyway.